Hello everyone. Today your Mauli's Kitchen is here with a healthy and informative video for all our viewers. Who doesn't like sweets? But are you worried about the calories that come with it? Most of us know that consumption of sugar has many adverse effects on our health. There are many zero-calorie or low-calorie sweeteners available in the market for diabetic and calorie-conscious people. But are they really safe? They are all chemical derivatives and most of them have side effects on health and few of them even have serious side effects with long-term use. Some people are even allergic to some chemical sweeteners. So what's our alternative? Is there a natural product we can use? And the answer is yes. We have a natural and organic sweetener which is derived from plants. It is called Stevia from the brand Zindagi. Unlike chemical sweeteners, Zindagi Stevia can be used for long term. This is a very promising and healthy replacement for sugar and artificial sweeteners. Zindagi Stevia, a nature's sweetener, is available in options like powder and liquid. Now, you can enjoy your coffee, tea, milk, health drinks and all your favorite sweets without any guilt. Check out their website link in the description below for more information and products. Thank you.